what's up, Dodo Bears? It's another video by me, Tony Bizzle. I kind of forgot what I did today, so we're gonna go thrift shopping. And we need to go scoop up my bestie, Westy Angel. He's a freshman. So yeah, we need to scoop him up and then get our clothes. So here's that. Look what they did to you, Jacob. I found, but it's like $60. Like,
shit, I could buy that.
Put it in the comments if I should come back and buy it. Put it in the comments. Put it in the comment section below.
Ain't nobody watching this, bro.
Like this with the white shirt and then with the jorts, with the.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, huh? It's so good, huh? Should I cop it? Put it in the comment section below. Yo.
Oh my god. Hell no.
So we're gonna do something very original. We're gonna stick our hand out and whatever we stop at is what we're gonna wear. Super original, I just thought of it right now. Alright, ready? 21. Stop.
Stop. Stop.
So I'm gonna go change into my top shirt, bro. This the fit. I'm gonna look like the man in yellow pants, the man with the yellow hat from so what's it called?
Curious George?
Curious George, yeah, so I'll see you guys right now. Oh, you're gay. Yo!
Hurry up. This is ass, bro.
I don't see the vision. Stop.
I don't have a belt. Look at the belt.
Nah, Loki, you can rock those pants though.
Yo.
That's tough. What the hell? Why was mine the only bad one? Mine was the only bad one. Now it's time for the car show. My mic wasn't even on.
Oh shit. Now we're selling waters for the cheer team. See, I would go with the basketball team because I'm part of the basketball team too. But like, you know, they got workers, we don't. It's just we don't afraid of them.
Yeah, we got they're doing a performance over there. I'm gonna record as much as I can.
Okay.
You know what Kendrick wanted? You know what Kendrick wanted?
What?
Shut the Buster. Was that funny?
No.
Was that a funny joke?
That was a silent
Was that a joke for the vlog?
No, you know what, you're done.
Hi Evan. Are you excited to perform? How excited? 10 out of 10? It's Miss Macias. Oh my god. Hello. How are you feeling, Gemma?
Good. I'm gonna pie Mr. Garcia in the face.
Hell yeah.
Heck yeah.
Vlog.
Okay, I'm recording.
So my
Lighting's very
shit.
bad.
It's cause I'm black.
Stand up,
It's cause I'm black.
Stand up.
Alright, we just go to the shade. Always making fun of me cause I'm the darkest one in the friend group, but like it's not my fault I'm dark. My BFF Evan is gonna about to perform. Let's go look at the Zero Art Gallery. Wait, look, guess which one's mine right here, guys. Unless she didn't put it up. Oh, it is up. It is up. Oh, it's right there. The ugliest.
This one?
This one.
Oh, this one.
Is that so, guys? Is that aura?
That's such aura right there. Look, guys.
It disappeared.
Your boyfriend's playing.
That's not him. I think it's an intermission.
Intermission. Do a shake, bitch, real quick. Oh. You want the flash on?
If you want. There's an auto, so if you know.
I was telling you.
Miss George's.
Tony, I already have like $35.
Oh,
George,
oh,
this
this is so tough. This is so tough. Wait for mine, guys.
Bro started jumping. It's like, oh my god.
Wait for mine. Wait for mine.
Oh my god.
Look, he's shooting the ball. Oh my god. Ball's going into the basketball hoop. Bye, miss. Love you.
Bye. Go, Tony, join in. Go hit that.
I actually don't dance to this song.
Why?
I'm more of a whip nay type of person.
Hit the whip and nay right now. Like a head whip.
Welcome, East College Prep, everybody. What's up, everybody? Hey!
How do you feel?
We're gonna run it back right now.
Oh, second performance right now? Oh, snap.
To a different style with this one. Put your head on my shoulder. Here we go. Put your head on my shoulder.
Evan, you fucked that shit. Oh, that was so good. How'd you feel up there?
It was getting hot up there for real.
Dude, I know, look, record real quick. Dude, my armpits are all sweating. Can you see it in the camera?
Yeah, you could.
Dude, like, my armpits are all sweating. Like, I was struggling out there, like, my whole back. It's all sweaty. He did so good, guys. Huz, are you recording? It's the Huz, guys. Oh, wait, look, you gotta take a picture. So we just left the car show. I gotta go home already. It was pretty fun, huh?
Yeah. It was alright.
So we're about to leave. That's probably the end of the video. It's gonna be short. Love you, Dodo Birds.